My name is Pranjali Devashala Srirangdhere. I am in the 7th standard. The name of my school is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Satefal, Taluka Kalam District, Dharashu. Today I present spelling bee activity. ALREADY. Already means hadis. ARRANG. Arrange means व्यवस्था करणे. ARTIST means कलाकार. BAKERY bakery means bakery. BEACON beacon means दीपस्तंभ. BORDER border means सीमा. CANDLE candle means मेणबत्ती. CAPITAL capital means राजधानी. CRASHED crashed means कोसळले. DANGER danger means धोका. DANCER dancer means नर्तक. DRAWING drawing means चित्र. efforts means प्रयत्न. energy means ऊर्जा. elastic means लवचिक. farmer means शेतकरी. feeling means भावना किंवा जाण. flying means उडणारा. glowing means चमकणारा. growth means वाढ. Thank you.